Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to talk about next operator, and that is assignment operator. So what is this assignment operator? It is an operator and this is used to assign a value to particular variable. So how do we write this assignment operator? To write simply we use equals to sign. So here is simple example. Suppose we want to assign the value of b to a, so simply we write the a equals to b. So if you want to assign a equals to 7 to a, then we write a equals to 7. Or maybe suppose if you want to assign 90 to a, then we have to write a equals to 90. So this is called assignment operator, and sometimes it also can be a compound assignment operator. If you put make sure that some other operators with the assignment or the equals to operator together, then they becomes compound, means collection of some other operators and make sure that equals to operator. So what is the meaning of this one? If we write a plus equals to b, it means that a equals to a plus b. First of all, it goes for the addition of a and b, so whatever it gets it assigns to a. So this first this plus operator, or we can say the arithmetic operator of the character, we write first, then we write the equals to symbol, or we say the assignment operator. So it is also an assignment operator, and in contracted form we write in this way. So writing this means writing this. And to understand clearly, let's take an example of this assignment operator. Here we can see there are three variables a, b and c, and let's take only two variables, 10 b equals to 20. Let's increase the value of a by 20, so we write there a equals to a plus 20. Let's print it. A equals to percentage d and now let's run the program. You can see here a equals to 30 we are getting here. So the old value it was 10 and the new value we are taking here 20. So it goes for addition and we'll get 30 here. Now instead of writing a plus 20, we can also put simply here contracted form a plus equals to 20. So writing this means writing this. I just stated that a equals to a plus 20. So writing this means writing this, and writing this means writing this. Now let's run again. Again we are getting same out 30. So there is no difference between this one and this one. So anyone we can use there in our program. So this is called assignment operator. Similarly, if we want to print for b, so let's change the value of b by 30. So b equals to b plus 30. So it changes the value of b by 30. Let's print it. Now let's run the program. We can see here b is 50. The old value of b it was 20. We added 30 further, so we got the 50 and it printed from the printf line number 8. So instead of writing b equals to b plus 30, it would be better if we write b plus equals to 30. So it means b equals to b plus 30. So both are same, there is no difference between them. So whichever you want, just put it in your program. Let's save it. We can see again we are getting a 50. So this was about the assignment operator, means assigning some value to particular variable. I hope you understood about this assignment operator. In upcoming programs we will be using frequently these all the operators. Thank you. We'll see you in next video.